Once upon a sunny day, in the small coastal town of Seabreeze, there lived a group of friends known as the Dolphin Divers. Their love for water was as boundless as the ocean itself. Let me introduce you to these delightful characters. Priya, the energetic leader.
Priya was like a whirlwind in the water. Her kicks were powerful, but sometimes a bit too enthusiastic. She'd splash everyone around her, especially poor Akash.
Akash, the careful planner. Akash was the thinker of the group. He'd analyze every stroke, every turn, and every breath. But Priya's splashes disrupted his meticulous plans.
Anjali, the happy cheerleader. Anjali was the sunshine of the Dolphin Divers. Her laughter echoed across the pool as she bumped into everyone. She turned swimming practice into a joyful dance. Rohan, the quiet new kid. Rohan had just joined the team. He was shy and unsure.
His eyes darted from one friend to another, wondering how he fit in.
Their coach, Miss Kelly, was a patient soul. She blew her whistle with a friendly smile and said, "Swimming together is like dancing. You all need to move as one, not four separate dancers." But practice became less fun. Priya's frustration grew, Akash mumbled under his breath, and Anjali's smile vanished. Even Rohan, usually quiet, looked grumpy. One magical day, Miss Kelly arrived with a giant beach ball. "Forget boring laps," she declared. "Let's play."
The Dolphin Divers tossed the ball into the water. Priya sent it soaring high. Akash perfected his throws, and Anjali chased it with infectious laughter. Even Rohan hesitantly joined in, a small smile tugging at his lips.
Suddenly, practice wasn't about laps and drills. It was about being friends, laughing and having fun. The beach ball became their shared secret, a game that united them. Priya's energy transformed. Instead of splashing, she cheered everyone on. Akash's planning skills shifted. They were now about teamwork. Anjali's smile returned, filling the pool with sunshine. And Rohan, well, he shared his secret swimming tips with the others. The city finals approached. The Dolphin Divers felt nervous, but not scared. They knew they might not win the trophy, but they would swim their best together. Under the bright stadium lights, they performed their routine. It wasn't flawless, but it was beautiful. They moved as one, like synchronized dancers. The crowd clapped, not just for their strokes, but for their friendship. And guess what? The Dolphins didn't win the gold medal, but they won something even better. They won each other's hearts.
They learned that medals may tarnish, but teamwork and friendship shine forever. And so, the Dolphin Divers continued their splashy adventures, laughing, swimming, and dancing through life.